Hey everybody, welcome back to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel. Today we're going to do a really fun one. We're going to make some fast and easy brownies. We're going to need 100 grams of chocolate chips. This is equal to half a cup. 60 grams of salted butter. This is equal to a quarter cup. 37 grams of all-purpose flour. This is equal to 1/4 cup. 75 grams of white granulated sugar. This is equal to 1/3 of a cup. And our last ingredient, 1 egg. For my first step, I'm going to put on a glass bowl. This is a heat-proof bowl. Right over a little bit of simmering water. Just going to get in all of your butter, all of your chocolate chips, and the sugar. So I'm going to let this go for about 5 minutes and then I'll be back. So this is about 5 minutes later, and you can see how nice and gentle the heat has been. We're not going to burn our chocolate this way, and all of that sugar is melted. So at this point I just want to give it a little bit of a whisk. Then we'll just remove it, and then I'm going to let this cool down for about 10 minutes, and then we're going to add in our egg and our flour. So this is about 10 minutes later. You just want to let this cool down a little bit, and then get your egg. I always crack my egg first so that I don't have a shell. Now get the mixture moving and then get that egg in there. And just keep stirring. That's good. And we're ready to go. And then just get our all-purpose flour in. Typically you don't put any baking powder in brownies because you do want them to be kind of on the short side and you want them fudgy, but if you do want to add a little bit of baking powder, you can. Just a little bit. I put in just a pinch. I'm just going to stir that up. I do have my oven set at 325 degrees Fahrenheit. You can see that's a really nice batter. So that's good. And now we'll get it into our pan. What I have here is a 6-inch square pan, and it's 2 inches high. So I'm using a spatula. I want to make sure that I get all of this goodness out. And that's good. Just get it into the corner. So I do have my oven going. It's hot, ready to go. 325 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'm going to pop this in, I'll bake it off, and I'll tell you exactly how long I baked it when I get back. And that smells amazing. So here we go, exactly 30 minutes in my 325 degree Fahrenheit oven. So this is extremely hot right now. I'm just going to let it cool down for about 15 minutes and then we'll remove it. We'll just remove our little metal clips. And then just grab the edges, and then you can see how easily that just comes out. So by not adding in that baking powder, it keeps the actual cake or brownie from rising up and turning into more of a cake, and it keeps it very, very condensed, and that's what makes a good fudge brownie, just like that. Because these are already mini, I'm just gonna do 4. I think that gives a nice size. So if you want a little snack, and there's only a couple of you in the household, you've got a substantial little snack there. I mean, look at the size of that. That's a nice size brownie right there. And look at this. Can you see how fudgy that is? Let me zoom in on that. So this is as close as I can get. So hopefully it doesn't go out of focus while I'm showing you this. But look at that. Super, super rich inside. I don't want to squish down on this, but I can just feel the moisture in here just by touching it. These smell amazing. As soon as I cut into them, I could smell them. Wow. So I have some dark chocolate here. It's not tempered, and I'm just going to get it a little bit in like that. Pull it out. Just let it drip off. And then we'll just flip it over. So we'll do another one. This is optional, but it's fun. That looks good. So I'll just do the other two and then I'll be back in a second. So here we have it, a really nice brownie. You're going to love these. So the nice brownie with a little bit of chocolate on top. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish, and if you're on Facebook, you can check me out at facebook.com/BakeLikeAPro. So that's it for today, and I'll see you next time. And please subscribe to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel, and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video.